Every time I went to film this past week, it was either 1, too dark, or 2, about to rain. So the grill meal prep I had planned will have to happen next week. This week, we're going back to breakfast and making some quick, delicious, and macro-balanced breakfast muffins that come with a hash brown crust. So let's jump right into it. Before we start this one, I'm almost 75% done converting the site over to include metric conversions for every single recipe. So if you haven't checked out the proteinchef.co yet, there's always a link to every recipe in the description below. Now we're starting this one by making our hash brown crust. So take out a mixing bowl, add right into it half a bag of uncooked hash browns, half a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 large whole egg, and 28 grams of your favorite cheese. Mix all of those ingredients up until everything is combined. From here, take out a muffin pan or whatever you're going to use, coat it with some non-stick cooking spray, and evenly distribute your hash brown mix into the bottom of each spot. Make sure to pack it in. I like to wash just one hand and use that, but the bottom of a round glass works great too. Put that into the oven on 400 for around 20 minutes or until it starts to crisp up. Next, take out and add into either a blender or food processor 6 large whole eggs, 1 cup of cottage cheese, 10 grams of minced garlic, a little pepper, and a little salt. Blend or process those until your ingredients are smooth. Evenly distribute that mix on top of your hash brown crust. Remember, if you want more or less, you can scale the recipe on the website. Last, add in whatever else you want. Today I'm going with 56 grams of a cheddar blend cheese, 14 grams of bacon bits, some chopped up bell peppers, and chives. Give each spot a quick mix with a spoon. There's endless variations to these, but another favorite of mine is spinach and feta. Put those into the oven on 400 for around 10 to 12 minutes. You can pull them out when there's just a little jiggle left in the middle. While those are cooking, it's time for the tip of the day, Hashbrown Edition. Did you know that you can make hash browns using a waffle maker in as little as 5 to 10 minutes? To do this, you mix together whatever you want on your hash browns, like some salt and pepper, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil. Put them right onto your waffle maker that's coated with non-stick cooking spray and close it. Let them cook until golden brown. You can help cook them if needed by pressing down on the lid. With our hash browns ready, let's see how our breakfast muffins turned out. Couple tips for these. Number 1, your hash browns have a ton of moisture. You'll want to squeeze some of it out by using a paper towel like this. Number 2, these will reheat quick in the microwave and also taste great cold. And number 3, if you're watching your carbs, you can skip the hash brown crust. Alright, before we end this one, shout out to 2 members, Charlie and Ryan. Thank you for supporting the channel, seriously. I'll continue to shout out new members in every video if you want to join. There's other cool perks to it too. With that said, thank you for watching. Like this video for more quick recipe ideas. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're almost to 400,000. I don't know how. Follow us on socials at The Protein Chef. And of course, stay healthy. No one got the giveaway yet either. In the last video or 2 videos ago, no one got it in the last video either. So comment below what you think is in the background. I'm gonna have to up the ante if no one gets it this time.